Hey there, YouTubers! Hello, gamers. Dr. Sheep here. They should be over that way. Oh, either way, there's multiple gates. Anyways, hi there, Dr. Sheep here. Welcome back to another, physics, biology, other video. I have no idea. It'll be in one of the places, whatever I decide. Anyways, I would be filming with my camera, but I forgot it. I don't want to drive back. So we're at a different parking garage than the one we did the last egg drop. And today we're asking the question, which will do more damage? I need the knife. Well, I guess I'm opening up the pork. So we're answering the question, which can do more damage? A regular chicken egg, a hard-boiled egg, and a frozen egg. The main real question is the hard-boiled egg versus the regular egg. Obviously, the frozen egg should deal more damage. How are we going to measure this? Well, that's a great question. So we have pork with the skin on it. You may be thinking, why do you need the skin? The skin helps us. Oh, let's turn this camera around. So the skin, it is thicker than human skin. Pig skin is. However, that's not really that big of a deal. Let's go to ultra wide, please. Thank you. That's not really a big, because it being thicker than human skin is good, because if we see any damage to the pork skin, we'll know that it would damage human skin. Yeah. Oh my God. Make sure you're in landscape. Yeah, he's recording from up there. I'll have to transfer all the files at my house. This is really annoying. So the plan is, there are straws glued to the eggs, and we're gonna drop them from up there. They're gonna zip line down to the pork. So yeah, we gotta get that all prepped and ready to go, and we'll come back to you. So no super high slow-mo, unfortunately, today, because I forgot the camera and I don't wanna go back. So we're gonna do the regular ones first today. As you can see, the string runs down to our bucket with our humble little pork. Yeah, so if you're wondering, the string is to guide the egg down. Without the string, there's no guarantee I can hit the pork every time. And with something like the frozen ones, well, I can only freeze so many, before we run into problems. So we had to go with the non-frozen. This is a different parking garage. I don't know if I mentioned this, but we couldn't get access to the other one. So we're waiting for Will to get the egg strung onto the string, and then we'll be ready to go. Let me know in your comments what you think is gonna happen. Something tells me we're not gonna see anything. The best way would get a human skull analog. That's what I really wanted to do, but it's hard to do that. We're really testing the rigidity of the egg, and if that can cause more damage, because each egg has the same mass, same volume, and relatively same density, because they have the same mass, the same volume. Therefore, they're going to fall at the same rate. That's gravity, of course. Now, we are in a vacuum. We are in an atmosphere. Cut that. So, either way, it's not going to matter, because of the same mass, same volume. Are we ready? Yeah. So this is regular egg. And 3, 2, 1. Oh no, it missed.
Really?
Yeah. All right, let me get some gloves. I'll have to do it better not. Get the next regular one ready while I do this. Okay, regular eggs. Take 2, 3, 2, 1. Direct hit. No damage to the pork. Load hard boil, let's go. All right, that was a direct hit. Saw no damage whatsoever, a little splashed, but nothing, absolutely nothing. So we're gonna try again with the hard boiled. I only have 2 of each egg, so this is gonna be a, one and done. Hard boiled, hopefully it'll break up enough to where should have any problems. Actually, I'm curious. So did the straw? Oh, the straw is still on there. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? All right, we'll see you back when we're ready for the next egg. Okay, hard boiled. We only get one shot with this because the last one, the straw broke off. So let me get into position. All right, hard boiled. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's assess the damage here. The hard boil looks like Rondo did a bit of a soft boil, but that's all right. No visible damage done to the pork. It is possible that the string not being that tight is leading to issues, but as you can see, the straw broke off, so it did still make contact with the pork. We're now waiting for the hard boil, the frozen one. I suspect massive damage.
Oof. Now that's a lot of damage.
Well, it's a frozen egg. I should hope it's cold. All right, frozen egg. Take 1. 3, 2, 1. Wild. No damage. Well, that's not good. What does this mean? It means I'm a crappy scientist. Alright, we'll have to go back to the lab to talk about this with Will because, obviously, I don't know. We'll have to talk about this. And maybe discuss a further experiment in the future. Anyways, we'll see you back at the lab. Alright, so clearly the experiment didn't work as we had no damage, right, Will?
Yeah.
So what should we do next time? I think what I should have done in the first place was we should have used a glass plate.
Why?
I think that would have broke with the of course would have broke with the frozen one. I'm not so sure it would have broke with the regular one. But the hard boiled, I don't know. The whole point was to figure out what is the hard boiled going to cause more damage. We have no idea.
So we were trying to see if it would hurt the pork.
Well, yeah.
It's not going to hurt the pork. It's a soft.
I was hoping it would cut. I was hoping the frozen one at least cut through the.
But it's a blunt object.
Listen here, you little. Anyways, maybe in the future we'll redo the experiment. For the time being, I can't be bothered to buy more eggs,
we should do this with knives.
What's a hard-boiled knife?
Well, just a knife. That's
how you kill somebody.
Hot glue it or super glue a straw to it and do it just like the egg and just slide the knife down. I don't know.
I'm not standing close to that.
I almost threw the knife down today. So.
You threw a freaking hard-boiled egg at my head from the 5 stories up.
I did.
It missed, thank God, but that would have answered the question. What causes a dunk? That frozen one just destroy it, just indented it.
Yeah.
Which I thought was crazy. But anyways, so if you want us to redo the experiment, let us know. Otherwise, in the meantime, I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. New science videos every other Friday, 11 a.m. Central Time, and good night. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist. If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. Finally, stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.